I didn't know about Kodiak, Alaska, and some of its plants and how they interact with the very famous Kodiak brown bear. So come with me and let's do a drive around Kodiak and check out some of the plants that are thriving this fall. Such lush greenness here in Kodiak. What an amazing temperate area. The islands are a National Wildlife Refuge and the home of the very famous Kodiak brown bear, the largest species in North America. I was getting out of the tour bus and saw this interesting plant. It is a horseradish planted all along this embankment, and with it are some beautiful purple flowers. And grass is very simple, but it captures kind of the ruggedness here in Alaska. These are all getting ready to disperse seeds. It's a beautiful clover. Our next stop, I could not resist taking pictures of the plants outside. These are roses. They're dripping with dew because of the fog. I don't know if you can see it, but look behind me at the fog. When we came into harbor, we couldn't see anything, and we still cannot see our ship that's anchored out from the downtown area. This is one of the museums. I was very interested in it because it represents the native people who were here in this area long before settlers came. Nice example of landscaping is steep incline. River rocks are rocks from the area, ground cover, and a variety of shrubs that are blooming called a rugosa rose. Kind of rough, but attractive, brilliant, deep pink. The walk to the museum, I feel this mixture of foliage really epitomizes the feeling that you get when you're here in the Alaska area. One of the berry bushes the Kodiak bears feast on. The forest has a lot of salmon bear shrubs and also blueberries. The bears feasted this season on available berries and will be back for the salmon in a couple of weeks, according to our local guide. A sweep of berries and shrubs in the beautiful forest area. I hope you enjoyed this brief drive around of Kodiak and got a few ideas on some landscaping that you might be able to do, especially if you have some steep slope areas in your landscape. Subscribe for more garden tours and gardening tips. See you again soon.